Everything you know, time, space, stars, might have existed before the Big Bang, before the beginning. But how can before exist if time started then? This puzzles top physicists. The answer might show our universe has lived, died, and been reborn countless times. For decades, we thought the Big Bang was the start, everything from a singularity, a cosmic blast of energy and light. But as science progressed, cracks in this story appeared. Einstein showed space and time are intertwined. Quantum mechanics revealed at tiny scales nothing's fixed. All vibrates, all's unstable. So what happens when time and space collapse to an infinitely dense point? Classical physics breaks down, and that's where bold theories step in, like cyclic cosmology and the Ekpirotic model proposed by Jean-Luc Lehners and other theoretical cosmologists. They believe the Big Bang wasn't the start of everything, but just a transition. Picture the universe not as a line with start, middle, and end, but as a breathing circle that expands, shrinks, and restarts. This poetic idea is the foundation of Ekpirotic cosmology, a theory born from quantum physics, relativity, and string theory. It suggests our universe is like a vast membrane or brain floating in extra-dimensional space. And we're not alone there. Other invisible membranes coexist, separated by gaps smaller than any atom could measure. Now imagine the unthinkable. These membranes move slowly over billions of years until they inevitably collide. When this happens, the released energy is so intense it fills space with radiation, matter, and motion. This is exactly what we know as the Big Bang. But there's one detail that changes. If this collision happened once, it could have happened before, and might happen again. The universe, then, wouldn't have come from nothing, but from an endless cycle of collisions and rebirths. A cosmos that dies, compresses into a dense, quiet state, then explodes back into life, light, and matter. Jean-Luc Lehners describes this as cosmic renewal, where each cycle cleans up the previous one's flaws. As the universe shrinks, energy and irregularities fade, setting the stage for a stable, harmonious new start. It's the opposite of singularity's chaos. Instead of collapsing into disorder, the universe organizes itself to be reborn. But this theory raises a troubling question. If each universe comes from a previous one, which was the first, what if there was never a first? Does each cycle repeat or create new laws and realities? Maybe in another cycle, stars formed earlier. Perhaps in another, life never emerged. Maybe someone else wondered this in a past universe. The Big Bang might have followed a dying universe. The Big Bang, a portal between ending and beginning universes. Each galaxy, star, and being, a spark reborn in cycles. If true, time has no beginning. We're part of an infinite dance of endings and beginnings. Science began to consider, maybe the universe never began. It simply breathes.